Hello everybody, this is Emery from the Brian Coyle Best Buy Teen Tech Center, and today I'm going to be doing a video that's a little different than my normal ones. So this week's video isn't going to cover an application, but it's going to cover more of a resource that you can use while you're stuck at home. So if you're at home right now and you're in high school, maybe you're a junior or a senior, or you're about to be even, and you're trying to start thinking about college, it might be kind of tough to organize tours or learn about colleges a little bit at the current moment. So this website I found is called YouVisit.com, and that's just www.youvisit.com. I'll leave a link in the description. Is really cool because it lets you take virtual tours of hundreds of colleges. So when you get to the website, you're just going to scroll down and hit View Tours right there, and there are lots of different colleges here, over 600. I know like Augsburg is on here, and the University of Minnesota. There's lots of them. But if I scroll down, I'll find one for the University of Massachusetts Amherst, which is the one that I'm going to take just as like an example today. This is a college that's near my grandmother's house. It's pretty cool. I have friends that go there. So if you have a virtual reality headset, you can take it on your phone and do that. But if you're on a computer like I am, you can hit the 360 experience. It'll open up a new tab. There's an intro video that you can skip or watch if you want. I muted it there, but I'm going to hit skip intro. And there will be a person talking to us here.
Welcome to UMass Amherst.
But if you mute it, then it just will show you a little text block about that just covers exactly what the person in the corner is saying. But if you click your mouse, you can drag and look around like you were standing at the campus right now. And then if you hit the next button here, it'll take you to their theater, which it shows some of the other cool features. There are interactive videos, so you can watch them in the theater department.
1, 2, 3.
Or you can click right here and see a video of their quartet. So there are interactive parts.
The Fine Arts Center, or FAC as we call it.
But there are interactive parts to this tour, which is pretty cool. You can continue through. This is their business hub. There's another interactive video here. And you can continue through until you've seen the whole campus, basically, which is very cool. And after you've gotten a good look at the campus, if you think you might be interested, you can connect here, which opens up just getting connected to ask questions with somebody at the college, or you can schedule a visit, or you can even just apply right from here, which is very cool. You can also sort of see Google Maps of what is around the college and other things like that. Anywho, so this is going to be a quicker video, but I just thought it was a pretty cool resource for y'all who might not be able to take tours of colleges right now. I think it's something worth checking out. And again, it's www.youvisit.com. Link will be in the description. Anywho, I hope y'all have a great week, and I will talk to y'all next time. Have a good afternoon.